Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to customize a Bento profile in 2026. If you want to personalize your Bento page and make it look more professional, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and sign in to your Bento account. Once you're on the dashboard, open your profile or link page that you want to customize. Next, click the Edit Profile or Customize option. This is where you can update your profile information and change the appearance of your page. Now upload a profile picture that clearly represents you or your brand. Then add your name, display title, and a short bio to let visitors know who you are and what you do. Next, choose a theme, colors, or fonts if those customization options are available. Select a style that matches your personal brand or business identity. Now review your links and arrange them in the order you want visitors to see them. You can also update link titles or remove links that are no longer needed. If Bento supports banners, buttons, or other design elements, customize them to give your page a clean and professional look. Before finishing, click the preview option to see how your profile will appear to visitors. Test each link to make sure everything works correctly. Finally, save your changes and visit your public Bento profile to confirm that all updates have been applied successfully. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to customize a Bento profile step by step. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials just like this.